That question puts so much pressure on yourself. Do you feel it? Can you feel it when you ask that question? The right decision for my whole life. There's no such thing as a right decision. And to put this much pressure on yourself means that you're taking yourself really seriously right now, and you don't need to be. My invitation at this point, if you are feeling this way, if you are speaking to yourself this way, is to journal your answers to the following questions. What pressure am I putting on myself to have everything figured out? Where did that pressure come from? Do I still believe that that's serving me? And why or why not? Reflect on this, and it's going to create a lot more space that's going to help you feel a lot lighter and more free to make whatever decision you end up making.